right now?
These boys will not let me do their hair. Look how they act.
Can you stop?
Look how they act.
Mom, no.
Which one of y'all want y'all hair retwist? Raise your hand. Babe! See, Babe a big boy. He want his hair done. Babe! Babe! You want your hair retwisted? Want your hair retwisted?
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
Alright, bro, you
So do y'all like, okay, so do y'all like y'all hair freshly retwist? Or are y'all like, oh, okay. So
like it like this.
y'all like it like that.
Afro dreads.
Oh, okay, so you think the ladies love you with Afro dreads?
I got my ladies, so I'm good. I ain't worried about it.
Okay, raise your hand if you like getting your hair retwist often. Raise your hand if y'all like to get it retwist every year. Damn, y'all don't even like getting it twist every year?
What?
Raise your hand if I'm trying to force you to do this damn video. So I just washed his hair with the Main Choice shampoo. It smells so good and it leaves his hair so soft. It's the best shampoo for natural hair that I know of. So right now, I'm just separating these hairs, trying to find the squares. Baby, why you got your head all the way down?
You pushing my head
What you
down.
got?
See, you pushing my head down.
Okay, so y'all already know how I do. I just like to retwist, tight enough so that I don't have to use any clips or anything because they don't like clips in their head. Neither do I like to use clips. So yeah, I just twist tight enough so that it'll just hold all on its own. Bookie, who you trying to look good for? Who you trying to look good for, Bookie? Okay, so instead of me taking 3 dreads to plait, I'm just gonna take like a couple of them and I'm just gonna plait it up. Okay guys, so I am back. I changed my clothes. He's changed his clothes because we had to take a little break. Look how much new growth this is. Look. Yep. 6 inches. Baby, you tender-handed.
No, you hard-handed.
No, you is tender-handed. That didn't even hurt.
Let me do it to you. Hurt, y'all help. You gotta edit it out.
Two more, yay!
But you trying to do baby hairs, bro?
You trying to do baby hairs, bro? Bruh. Bro? Okay guys, and this is the finished look. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Now baby, give us some sexy.